Julian Goldie here, and today I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite AI tools that have changed everything about how I run my business. And today we're going to be running through exactly how to use Notebook LM, Perplexity, and Google Gemini. And here's the crazy thing. All these tools just got huge updates, like brand new features that just dropped in the last few days and weeks. And Notebook LM can now create slide decks and infographics for you in one click. It's a 1 million context token window. It can do deep research, acts like your own personal researcher browsing the web view. Perplexity just made their Comet browser free, and that used to be a paid price per month. And it connects to your Gmail, your Notion, your calendar, does tasks for you whilst you sleep. Additionally, Google Gemini 3 just dropped. Crazy time, right? And it has something called this vibe coding feature where you can build like voice agents instantly. You can create tools pretty much on the spot and on the go. I've done that many times during live streams. And plus, you'll see a brand new AI agent that can, for example, like book your flights, organize your inbox, and manage your calendar. You can even build tools for you on the go whilst you're searching on Google. And if you're someone who wants to use AI, but you don't know where to start, or you've tried a bunch of tools and got overwhelmed, let's get straight into it. If you have any questions as we go along, feel free to ask. So you can get access to Notebook LM at notebooklm.google. You can get access to Gemini at gemini.google.com. Just make sure that you have 3 Pro switched on. You can also get access to this for free inside AI Studio. And AI Studio is kind of like a vibe coding tool where you can build stuff on the go as well. You can see, for example, here, we've created many different apps, as you can see, like a keyword generator, ASEO content writer, Tube Genius Creator, Nano Banana Thumbnails, Julian Goldie Script Gen, Goldie Agency Voices Agent, Ola Gemini Spanish Tutor. These are all apps that I've built. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to code, but I can build tools on the go using Google Gemini. The best part is that you don't need to write a single line of code, right? You don't need to be technical. You can just talk to these tools like you're talking to a friend. And that's what I want to show you today, because I know what it feels to be overwhelmed. To think that this AI stuff is too complicated, to worry that you're getting left behind. But the truth is, these tools are built for regular people now. They're built for solopreneurs like you. They're built for business owners who don't have time to learn programming. And once you see how they work together, everything changes. And that's exactly what I teach inside the community, like the AI Profit Boarding, the specific systems, the exact prompts, the automations that you can just copy and use. So let me show you exactly how this works, all right? So you can see here inside Notebook LM, we've got a list of my notebooks, featured notebooks shared with me. And if we go over here, this is interesting. Someone shared the Google I/O event with me. That's pretty cool. So if we go over to my notebooks, you can see all these different notebooks that we built, right? And these are all kind of like custom trained AI chatbots. We've got these different examples right here, right? And Crystal says, I love Notebook LM video preview, infographics, and slide decks are my favorite features. I've uploaded this document on the left-hand side, the sales SOP. And this is like a super long, boring document. I would love my sales team to read, but honestly, in reality, they're probably not going to read the whole thing, or they just don't have the attention span. And if you are a closer that is good at selling SEO, feel free to get in touch with me, because I always love to hire new sales reps. But you can see here, this is a long playbook on how to do SEO, right? So it's like 90 pages long, super long. Most people are going to struggle to get the information from that. So it's like, right, okay, well, how can we condense this down? How can we get it down shorter so that we can get the best results possible for our team, right? And so what we can do is we can download that, or we can actually just copy the link, and then we can go back over to Notebook LM, like you can see over here, and just plug that bad boy in. As you can see, that's the source. You can rename and remove the source as well. That is one of the best ways to use this. So for example, here, I can click on add source. I could upload the sales SOP if I downloaded it. I could copy the text in if I wanted to as well. Probably what's easiest, if you're using Google Docs, which a lot of solopreneurs are, then you just go to Google Drive over here, right? But the main thing is here that you're building like a training system that's custom tailored to your business. And instead of paying some fancy software to do it for you, or paying some agency to handle this for you, or for example, going out there and trying to spend hours to figure it out, don't worry about all that. Just go into Notebook LM, add it in, boom shakalaka, you're good to go, right? And you can see you got the source on the left-hand side, you got the custom chatbot in the middle here, and then you've got all these different options on the right of like previous stuff that we built. You can even, for example, create stuff in different sources. So you can see here, for example, we have a podcast in Chinese. I'll come on to that in a second and exactly how you can do it, right? So for example, here, we can say, right, okay, you can say, okay, give me the sales script. And basically that's going to source through the inputs, aka the source, aka the sales SP that we plugged in, script. So you can see here, it says, all right, thanks for, so it's like, right, okay, 5 minutes early, address one level up from your clients. Hi, client name. This is rep name. Let's just find this. It's scrolling down for me for some reason, but I'm just going to go back up here. And this is quite a technical sale, but we can break it down with the sales SP. You see here, it says, okay, hi, name, this is name from Goldie Agency. How's your day going far? Blah, blah, blah. Glad to hear it. Okay, here's what we're going to do. So it breaks it down, not just into what you're going to say, but also like the framework, right? So this is the introduction and rapport building section. Then, for example, we have the discovery phase. And after that, we have the current strategy and pain points. And then from there, we have the past experiences and blah, 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 right? It tells you exactly what to say step by step so you can get results. And you can condense something that is 90 pages